Did you know that biodegradable plastics are designed to break down more easily in our environment? Their chemical structures mimic those found in nature, using materials like starch, cellulose, or polylactic acid. This similarity helps microbes, like bacteria and fungi, recognize and digest them. Under the right conditions, think heat, moisture, and oxygen, these plastics can decompose into harmless substances like water and carbon dioxide in just a few months. In contrast, traditional plastics can stick around for hundreds of years. But here's the catch. Not all biodegradable plastics break down quickly in natural settings like soil or oceans. They often need controlled environments to fully degrade.